Hi, my name is Orlando, and today I'm going to talk about Grupo Bimbo, a large Mexican multinational company and the world's leading baking company. Grupo Bimbo operates in 31 countries around the world and employs more than 1,027 people. Its success can be explained by its strong values, global distribution, and focus on sustainability. Grupo Bimbo was founded in 1945 in Mexico City. The company was created to offer high-quality baked goods to the Mexican market. By the time the company expanded internationally in 1980s, a strong distribution system had already been built. Through acquisition such as Sara bakery business, Grupo Bimbo became the world's largest baking company. Grupo Bimbo mission is to nourish a better world by providing delicious and nutritious products. Its vision is to be a sustainable and highly productive company that cares about people. These goals must guide all business decisions. Grupo Bimbo Code of Ethics has been implemented in all its operations. All employees must follow these rules. Integrity, respect, and responsibility are expected all the times. Because of this company has been recognized as one of the world's most ethical companies. Grupo Bimbo operates in North America, Latin America, Europe, and Asia. If the company were to expand into the new African markets, it could increase its global presence. However, this expansion would require a large investment and market adaptations. Diversity and inclusion policies have been implemented across the company. Equal opportunities are provided in hiring and promotion processes. As a result, Grupo Bimbo has been included in Bloomberg's Gender Equality Index. Grupo Bimbo brand may be seen as a symbol of truth of quality. Its products are available in the most every store, and this reputation can't have been built overnight. It was developed over many years. While the company was expanding globally, it was also providing workplace safety. During the COVID-19 pandemic, operations were adapted to protect all the employees. Teamwork and employee well-being are key parts of the company culture. Grupo Bimbo offers affordable and high-quality baked products. It, its customers include families, restaurants, and institutions. Products are delivered through the stores, supermarkets, and online platforms. Revenue is mainly generated through product sales. Grupo Bimbo strengths include strong brands and large distribution network. However, the company depends on raw material prices. Opportuni- the opportunities include healthy products and new markets. If the company focus focus more innovation, it could increase its competitiveness. Company leaders have said that sustainability is a main priority. Daniel Sibit stated is the most of the company's packaging is already recyclable. It was reported of the company plans to reach net zero emission by 2015. In conclusion, Group Bimbo is a global company built on strong values and efficient operations. In the future, the company may face challenge, but it could remain successful by focusing on innovation and sustainability.